How to add expense in Splitwise. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add expense in Splitwise. So what do you do first? The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Splitwise account installed on your mobile device. Once you have that installed, go ahead and open up the app. So once the app is opened, you'll be taken to your groups page automatically, and then once you look at the lower part of the screen, you'll see some options such as groups, friends, activity, account. So initially when you are logged into your account, this page would be empty. So to go further, you would have to create a group. All right, and then once you've created a group, you will see your group as well as the amounts you owe, amounts that you are on, etc. And then the next thing to do is to click on the add expense option located by the lower right corner of the screen. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to the add expense page. On this page, the next thing for you to do is to enter a description. All right, this description has to do with the expense that you want to add. So it could be groceries, could be anything of your choice. And then once you've added that, just come over here and then input the amount that you want to input. So it could be $18, and then once you're done, you can select if you want it to be paid by you or by some other persons, and then if you want the amount to be split equally, you would have to select it this way. And then once you're done, just click on the tick icon by the top right corner of the screen, and then the grocery will be added automatically. It is that simple. So go ahead and add that grocery today. Thanks for watching.